Hello, ladies and gentlemen. What a red days in our backs yesterday and also today a little bit. So, what caused this dump and how much actual liquidations have already occurred? So, basically, the main reason, the main reason for this dump is actually Middle East conflict and Middle East escalation for the war between Israel and Iran. So that is the main cause of this dump yesterday. But overall, as you can see for the Bitcoin chart, basically it's still in the same pattern, it's still in the same bullish pattern. And of course, we can have in next coming week also the week down to 58 on or 60k. That's also still in play and still possible. So be careful, adjust your risk, and stay tuned for the next updates. So still some lower level limit orders have to be set in the place to catch actually the bottoms for the next coming up move. So and as we all in all coins, basically we see there is this large correction see in many altcoins, but about altcoins a little bit later. First of all, I would like to share with you this actually how it looks in the Bitcoin. And Bitcoin still looks bullish. For example, we can trailing here, trail down to 58, then come back here, and then finally jump up to 80. So let's go to Ethereum. Actually, Ethereum does not do that good, but I think we have probably the worst days already in our backs. So let's see what will happen. Probably still this week down to 2.8k is possible. So be prepared for the both scenarios. For example, this kind of moves down, they are pretty much hard to expect, hard to predict. So it's not about predicting the leg down, it's about being prepared for both scenarios and both directions. Also, one of my accounts got a little bit liquidated because I was just too over leveraged and too big positions for the upward movement. That's how it's happened in the markets, and you have to always be prepared that that can happen if you are a little bit too much percentage wise into the market with a too much leverage. So but that's only the one account, and our VIP account and strategy is doing still very good. Yes, we are down. That is absolutely fine because I will shortly again explain you how this strategy works. Basically, if you look to the projection, then the projection line looks like this. It starts to run, starts to make some gains, and then there is, for example, some larger dump. Then we have some kind of this kind of correction in our projection, and then unless in the moment basically when the market runs up again, so we are still again in a new highs with the account, and we continue this geometric projection with this account. And then for example is the next run down, we can see even larger correction downwards, but as soon as the market starts to recover, we are back on the all-time highs. So and then the projection continues, we can have even larger correction, that's possible, but then we even faster come back up. So basically what you have to take into account that in those regions when we are not in the projection line, the only thing what you can do actually is buy in more liquidity, add on some money on the those areas when the market is down, add some more liquidity. That's only smart thing to do in those moments, because 80 70 80% of the time we will be on this projection line. There you can sell, you can do whatever you want, you can sell everything on those areas on when we are on the projection line. But when there is this fear in the market, when there is this market crashing, only good thing to do is add a liquidity. That's it. That's simple, that's straightforward, and that's it. That's basically the main law for this strategy for the bull run. For the of course for the bear run, there will be quite an opposite strategy. So And also in the coming weeks, coming months, we will come up with the solution for the index funds, and that will be absolutely amazing because that will run basically without stopping, because in the index fund they are a lot less volatile, and there will be a lot less volatility expected, and there is no such a cyclical effect as in crypto. There is no such the bull run for 1 2 years and then all bear run for the next 2 years. So basically there is a lot less a cyclical economy, and therefore it can be run all the time and basically bring you home around 10x more than buy and hold strategy for any index fund. So that's currently what our tests show. So that's stay tuned, watch our videos and be up to date when actually this fund will start to run. So that's about our next developments in the traditional finance. Let's see what is actually going on with the altcoins. For example, I would like to really share with you, for example, Arbitrum. Arbitrum is really good project, one of the best out there, and it's actually now with the very very good prices. It's basically down from this bull run cycle. It's down 57%. That is absolutely great correction for the Arbitrum. And as you can see, this yellow line, that's basically marks the most significant level in all Arbitrum's history. So therefore it will be hard to break a lot down from there. So it's absolutely good price to accumulate, and that's the same basically it applies to the many other good altcoins, for example strk or any other. So therefore, definitely good to accumulate your spot account with the altcoins. And also, if you are still fearful, very fearful, so then there is only one good solution for you. Basically, buy in a little bit and then add some buy limit orders on the way down, maybe there, maybe there. So let's then you have to look also in the chart before. So and on the way that basically there is some amount here, then is maybe a 50% more amount here, maybe there is double amount of this actually order. So then you will have a really really good entry price for your orders, and that means also basically the main thing to actually make the profits into the markets. So, and then, for example, when the market start to recover, the first sales zone can be somewhere here before this actually region where there have been a lot of trading going on, and then the next one in already in the new all-time highs, and maybe the last one when actually the price from the all-time high is doubled or tripled. So that's probably the smartest way to actually act accordingly to the altcoins current market prices. One more thing I would like to mention also, CPI is coming out badly. So 0.4% monthly inflation, that is a lot. That means basically more than 4% on annual basis. It's huge. That's not 2% target what Fed actually wanted to reach. So that means probably the only 20% probability that in June we will see quantitative easing steps already going on. So, and that means that there will be most likely not rate cuts this year. There will be probably only two or one rate cut this year. So, and also there are some rumors that telling that probably even if we will see the next inflation pump, that there can be even quantitative tightening even tighter. So, and if that scenario plays out, it's definitely bearish also for all of the stocks and also crypto, and then the crypto bull run will be absolutely destroyed. So therefore, currently the best scenario is actually not building up swing trades with the leverage, bigger trades with the big expectation, but actually holding the spot and also doing the strategy as our VIP fund, for example, is doing. And that is absolutely the right thing currently into the markets. So with that being said, also want to pay attention that actually if that is the scenario, then also there is almost no chance that Biden will be re-elected in the United States as a president, because there will be hard times beforehand the actual election process. And what they actually want. They really want quantitative easing before elections to have actually some chance to be elected. So Trump winning is like 90% right now. So, and that means also that, yeah, there is tricky times right now in the markets, and there are a lot of things you cannot predict. So you have to be always prepared for both directions, and you have to limit your risks so that you are prepared. Also, if the market goes down 80%, you have to really be prepared for even such situations. So, and therefore, yeah, the smartest way to do right now is accumulate some altcoins on the way down, because definitely there will be the next leg up. Definitely there will be. It can come later. It can come latest in the autumn. But as you can see right now, then there is definitely good prices to accumulate. So, with that being said, thank you for your attention. Don't be rabbits. Don't be hamsters. Don't fear off the markets. Don't sell when there is actually panic selling. Panic selling is meant for the buying. That's how it is. Be strong. Don't be the beginners. Don't be fearful. That's the market. That's how they are. That's volatility. And of course, when you are in the markets, there are also some losses occur. So without any experience, you cannot gain those big wins overall in the future. So, with that being said, thank you for your attention and see you next time. Let's be strong and let's get this thing right. Thank you very much. See you.